Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen, and today I have a Natalie Attired celebration collection. And I wasn't sure, I've done I think 3 of these already, and I wasn't sure if I was going to do another one. It's just, you know, you're paying, if you're not familiar with the celebration collection, for $57 plus $10 shipping, you get 3 to 4 items that are yours to keep. So really great deal, provided that you get enough that you like. So my last one, there was just a couple of pieces that I was kind of on, so I thought I'd cool it for a little bit. But I believe it was supposed to end May 15th. I don't know if that's still the case. I'll put something in the description to show if that was still the end date or not. But I got one last one because I can't resist a good deal, and I asked for something a little bit different this time, which was shorts and springy type stuff. So I'm excited to dig into this. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're not familiar with Natalie Attired though, they are usually, outside of a pandemic, they are a normal style service, like a Stitch Fix type thing. They have really great sales as far as, you know, you're getting a certain percentage off if you buy so much, and I really like that. But I've been a little up and down with them just because they don't carry as much in my size. No shade on them for that. I'm just, you know, a less common size. So, but I've had some pretty good luck size-wise from the stuff in the celebration collection, which is why this is number 4. So let's go ahead and get started at the top here. And it looks like we have this tank here, very colorful, which is not usually my thing, but I think I'd love, you know, this is a great pattern, and I like the colors underneath some sort of darker colored cardigan or jacket or something like that, or even just to pair with some white jeans, I think could be very cute. So I don't, you know, for somebody who doesn't really like patterns much at all and just prefers mostly solid, I dig it. I'm not saying I'm like in love with it, and I doubt I'd pick it out for myself, but I'm not mad at it. Okay, this is by Renee C. So, okay, not bad. Next up, we have this off-the-shoulder top. This is by Velvet Heart, and it is a big ruffle here, and so I think it's like it's a sleeveless off the shoulder, but then it has this big ruffle. It's a little boxy. Now, I'm a huge polka dot person. I love polka dots. Not a huge ruffle person, which this has just kind of a gigantic ruffle. So, I don't know. Not really my thing, but maybe I'll fall in love with it once I get it on. We will see. And then we have some shorts, which is what I asked for. This is by Wax Jean. Don't know that I've heard of that before. And just a, you know, mildly distressed short and some cuffed bottoms here. So I think they are a little bit longer than I usually wear, but maybe I could do some additional rolls up. They are sewn. The roll is sewn here on the edges, not on the sides, which is not always my favorite, but I once had somebody advise to use fabric tape to keep that down, and I haven't yet. But you know, if I keep these, I would consider that, because I just hate when you get this and then you wash them and you just can't get them to lay the way you want, and I'm not going to iron some jean shorts. That's just not going to happen. So anyways, I think they're cute, and I'm going to just reserve judgment until I get them on. So there we go. 3 items, $67 with shipping. A good deal, and let's try it on. Okay, so first up we have this top, and in the shorts. Top's not my favorite. I'm just not a fan of the off the shoulder, and I think if I loved a top enough, I would get past that. But if I don't love something, then my tolerance for something like this is very low. I'm just not a big fan of this ruffle that we have here, and I'll have to look up the material, but it does seem to wrinkle very easily. So not my favorite. The shorts are a little long for my taste, almost a little bit too Bermuda-y, but watch this. Yep. Yeah, I'm rolling it. There you go. Full roll. all of a sudden, I really like them. Now, they're a great fit up here, not a lot of extra room or anything, but they have great stretch to them, and once I roll them up once, that's like my length, to where it's like there's great length here, nothing I'm worried about peeking out. I like a tighter leg, but not too tight, and like I said, it's got a great stretch to it, so I'm happy with these. All I had to do was another roll, and then boom, some great shorts for me. So yay! Okay, last top. Okay, next we have this tank. Now I wish it wasn't so long, but when I see this, it's got some yellow in it here, and I could see myself. I've got a pair of yellow pants that I got in my last trunk club, and I could actually see me wearing this with it. It's a great fit. I'm very, very happy with the fit of it. So don't really love it with like a jean short, but I think with a long pant, I would like it. So I don't hate this. What do you guys think of this though? This one I could really use opinions, because if I'm all like, yeah, it's cute, I'll wear it, and then everybody's like, it's horrible, then okay, maybe not. And then did want to pull my hair back so you guys can see the neckline of it a little bit better. So I do like that halter style neckline. So, okay. Let's do a quick recap, and I'll tell you guys about what the original prices of these pieces are. Okay, so here is the first top. This is by Renee C. It is the sleeveless spaghetti strap top, and it is usually $46. I actually really liked it. I could see myself pairing it with various color bottoms. I almost have all of these color bottoms. I've got like the teal, the yellow, the coral, things like that. So I can actually see this getting good use. So really happy with that. Again, I'd still like to hear you guys' opinions. Let me know if it's awful and I just don't realize it. Then we have by Velvet and Hearts, and this is the Carmen off-shoulder polka dot top, $69. This is not a keeper for me. I did check the material, and it is 100% rayon, so that's also a negative because that wrinkles easily, so I don't think I will be keeping that. And then we have the shorts that I'm actually pretty happy with. These are by Wax Jeans, and these are the mid denim shorts, and these are normally $39, which they're normally pretty affordable. So the entire box would have been $154, but instead I got it for $67. So 2 out of 3 pieces that I am more than happy to keep is not too bad. So I'm happy with that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What did you like? What do you not like? How's life going? What's up? If you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below and put on the bell notification so you get notified every time I post. And I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.